Welcome back. It's time to do this cow book again.
So this is Courtney with Doodle Dollars and
me, Aria, to do it today.
all right. So do you want to roll and see which page we're going to do?
Yeah.
What number?
2.
Okay. So 1,
2.
2. Scratch off!
Yay!
And you know how much money we have today?
How many?
We have 10, 15, 25.
Whoa.
Okay. So here, you want to use this penny to scratch one off. Oh, let's roll and see which one we're going to scratch off. Do you want to roll again? Try to roll it onto here. Good job. Whoa.
5.
So let's count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay. Do you want to tell everyone what happened today outside? What's outside right now?
Snow.
Yeah, we had a snow day today. So that was
I got 5.
a 5. Good. So that was Aria's first snow day, right?
Yeah, but
Yeah.
I had one when I was a baby.
Yeah, but you didn't really remember seeing snow before, huh?
Yeah.
So what did you think of the snow?
I like
Yeah?
And we're going to go back out soon.
Maybe. We'll see. Okay, let's roll and see which page we get next. 5. Okay, so turn 5 pages.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, the color one. Nice.
Yeah, color.
All right, so this one, you can pick one of these colors and color a part of the cow.
I'm going to do that purple.
Okay. So what did you think of, what all did you do in the snow?
I make the snow angel,
Yeah,
make the snowman,
yeah.
fold snowballs.
Yes.
We tried to
You threw snowballs at Mommy, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. We tried sledding with, what did we use to sled?
A trash bag and like a top of what's it called?
Like a lid to like a
Yeah.
container, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. What was your favorite part?
I don't know.
Okay. Can you get 2 ones? So every time we color in a purple spot, we get $2. Good job. All right, and let's put them right here. Thank you. All right, roll again. 3. Okay, so go 3 pages forward. That's okay. Wait, what was your favorite part? What did you say?
It was all pretty good.
It was all pretty good. Okay, so back to, this would technically be 3. So this one. All right, so you roll 2 times. 5. I'm going to write the numbers in here, okay?
No, I know how to.
You want to write the 5?
Yeah.
Okay. 5 right there. You can copy this one. That's a 5 too. Good job. Okay, roll again. And another 5. Do you know how many that is?
No.
Okay, we'll count. Well, we can use our fingers to count, okay? So, you want to do it with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we need 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many is that?
10.
10. Can you write 10 right here?
Wait, here?
Look at you. You're so good writing your numbers. All right, and we're going to grab the $10 bill right there and put it right here. Good job. Okay, roll again, please. Another 5. You keep rolling 5s. All right, go forward. 5 spaces. 5 pages.
What?
1.
2.
Oh.
Wait.
We missed a lot of pages here. Hold on. 2.
3. 4.
4.
5.
5. Okay, this is one we haven't done yet. So this is. Ooh, don't do that because it's really loud. Okay, on the video. But this is milk your savings. So you fill up the milk jug until you get to the top. Okay. So we have to decide what our goal is. What do you think we should be saving money for? You want to use that one?
Yeah.
Okay. What do you think we should be saving money for?
Toys.
Toys? So how much money do you think we need for toys?
No.
Like $50?
Yeah.
All right. Let's do 40. Okay, so can you write 40 right here? 40. Let's use a different one because that one's not really showing up. Pick a different color.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I'm going to choose this brown.
Okay.
The 1.
And a 0.
Okay.
4 and a 0. Good job. Okay, so let's roll. Oops. And see how much money we're going to put in. Try to roll on this, okay? Good job. Oh, we're putting $2 in. All right, so get $2. 1, 2. Very good. All right, and let's see. You can color in like just one little like sliver right here, okay? Thank you. All right, roll again.
1.
1. All right. Turn one page. Oh, coloring again. Okay. So pick a color. What's up? One of these colors. So purple, pink.
I can't find the pink.
The pink?
Yeah, pink.
I think this is the pink, right? Is that what you use? Oh, wait, the light pink. Hold on. It might be turned. Oh, there it is. Oops. You can do another spot.
Yeah.
Nice. So, was there anything that you wanted to do in the snow that we didn't get to do yet?
We didn't get to like
Say it
make
loud.
a fort. We didn't get to like make a fort.
We didn't get to make a fort, yeah. I don't know if we have enough snow really to make a fort. But we can maybe try tomorrow if it's still around. I think this was actually a 4 right here. So we need $4. Okay, let's count them.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Good job. Yep.
Put one back.
Okay, good job counting.
There's 2 more.
Nice. All right, let's see what we get next. Want to roll again? Roll it right here. Okay, that's okay. We got 6.
1.
1. So back to this page is 6. 1, 2, I mean.
1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You get to scratch one.
Yay!
Okay, roll and see how far we're going to scratch. Roll it on here. Okay. Here you go. And then count 4 spaces
From here?
from here.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay. Let's see what that little cow's ear looks like.
2.
And how many dollars do we have left?
2.
That's perfect.
Scratching it all off.
Okay, you gotta get all this off. Nice job, honey. All right, and grab those last $2 and put them right here. And then let's go over to our coin page, and we're gonna count our coins, okay? So each one of these circles, do you remember how many dollars it is? Each little circle is $1. Okay, so I'm gonna count the coins, and you're gonna color in the circles. Deal?
Deal.
All right, let me see this. Each circle is $1, and you can choose different colors too, okay? So you can choose whatever color you want. All right, so we have 1, 4 quarters equals $1. Do you remember what these are called? Quarters?
Mm-hmm.
Can you say quarters?
Quarters.
Quarters, nice. 2. Man, it's hard to get these up.
3.
How many are there?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yep, so we have another $1, so color one more. 3. Right. Then you can use dimes. These are called dimes. So 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85, 95. Do you know what this is? A nickel. So there's another $1. So we have $4. Okay, let's see. And we need 10 pennies. Can you count 10 pennies?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Good job. So all these. So there's another $1. All right, so that will be it for this time. Let's count and make sure we have the right number of circles colored in. You ready?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5. Do you have 5 circles?
These 2.
Well, just the pink ones. How many pink ones do you have? 1,
1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so let's erase this one. There you go. Good job. All right, you want to put these in your castle?
Mm-hmm.
Want to feel how heavy it is and give it a shake? Whoa. This feels pretty heavy, huh? All right, so let's put our dollars away and we'll
What are
count.
these for?
That's for the haystack game. For, where did it go? This one.
Oh.
Yeah. All right, so we have calculate your savings. And remember, we have money in here from last time. So let's count how much money we have total, okay?
Okay.
All right. I was just making sure my phone didn't die. You ready? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. That's so many. So many dollars. Do you want to put them in the envelope?
Yeah.
Okay, let's stack them all together nice and neat. Yep. All right. Nice. And then zip it shut. All right. So $19 in that one. So fun. All right. And then we have 5 here. And in this envelope from last time, hold on, let's count to see how much total we have. Okay, ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yay! You want to put them in?
Mm-hmm.
Good job. Sometimes it's hard to get them in, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Oh, thank you. Okay. Then let's see. This one got $2. So let's see where that one is. There it is. All right. This one, utterly amazing. What did we get last time? Let's see. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's a lot, huh?
a lot high. Okay, I got
That's fine. All right. Good job, honey. Okay. This one is our first time doing this one, so we will just stick this. I need another envelope for this, but this one is milk jug. So we're just going to put these $2 with this, and I'll find an envelope for it, okay?
Okay.
And then this one got a lot, and we have an envelope for that one already.
Better.
Okay, wait, let's count and make sure we have what we need. All right, so you want to count?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
$7. Awesome.
Got 2 sevens in one of the
Yeah,
bags
we did.
in envelopes.
Mm-hmm.
Why are they going in envelopes?
So that we keep the money safe and sound, and so that the money that's on this page stays together. Okay? So that we can decide, like, the money that we save with this page, we're going to use to buy toys, right? The milk jug one. And for this page, we might use it to buy you some clothes. And this one might be for something else. So we want to keep that money separated. Okay? All right, let's say bye to our friends, okay? Bye, guys.
I'm gonna go in it.
Okay, say hope you have a good rest of your day.
Hope you have a good rest of your day.